Hey guys, Grant here with Overage Acquisition. A lot of people are ignoring the smaller overages and surplus funds. I have a list here from Nevada, and the majority of these are smaller ones. And believe it or not, a lot of people are not working these deals. And these are going to be quick wins for you to build up your reviews faster. So let me give you an example. If you help a client, let's say recover, $3,500, it's not a lot of money, but it's a quick way to build up your reviews faster, meaning your Better Business Bureau reviews or your Trustpilot reviews, whatever review site you're using, because there are more of these little ones out there than there are the large deals. Because a lot of people are working big deals, but these smaller ones will help you build up your credibility in the business much faster. So these will be quick wins for you in this business. So working the smaller ones add up over time, but they also build your credibility faster because larger deals take sometimes more time to put together because of trust issues, and there's more people trying to work those. But these smaller ones, there's quite a few more of these out there, and these will give you easy opportunities to ask for a good review and build your business credibility online so people could check you out. Now, if you look at our Better Business reviews here, these are just a few of the many people we've helped, and they're all 5-star, but these are going to be what really, these reviews right here are going to be what make the difference. Let me zoom these in for you, in your business, right? Because this is a trust and credibility business, and this is what people are going to look at when they look you up, right? Because a lot of people, they think this is a scam, or they think, they don't believe it, but your credibility is going to make or break the quality and perception that you have out there of what you're doing. And you want to have good reviews, and this is just a fast way to build up that review stack so people can look you up and begin trusting you in order to recover these funds. And it'll increase the sales velocity of what you're doing and just get you more deals. I mean, simply put, working these smaller ones, a lot of people don't want to work these, but these are great opportunities to get quick wins and quick positive reviews online, like here, so that people, when they do get a letter or a phone call from you and they look you up, they could see that you're trusted and that you are competent and that you know what you're doing and that you could help them recover what rightfully belongs to them. So I hope that helps. It's just a quick little tactical tidbit there, and you guys have a good rest of your weekend. I'll talk to you later.